Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. I'm officially calling for snow by doing this. I'm taking off the Christmas decoration off the mailbox and putting up the spring. It is March 16th. I would say no later than Friday we're going to have snow. Almost guaranteed. But it's fun to do, and it does make the mailbox look nice. It's a little magnetic thing. You just lift it up. And peel it off, and then you put the new one on. Doesn't go on quite that easy. And there you go. Well, it's spring. Now we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all.